Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you quickly how to fix network issues in your Android phone. So I'm going to share 4 solutions. The first one is the payment. No payment means no service. Just make sure you make your payments on time. Number 2, restart your device. Turn off your cell phone for a few seconds and turn it back on. That can fix the problem. Number 3 is the SIM card. The SIM card can also be a very big problem. You remove the SIM card, check the SIM card, and just put it back. Just make sure it is on the right side. Once the SIM card is inserted, turn off your cell phone for a few seconds and turn it back on. Number 4, flight mode or airplane mode. You just enable this option for a few seconds and turn it off. So go to settings. In my phone, I have this option in connection and sharing. Airplane mode, just turn it on for a few seconds and turn it off. So that's it guys, that's what I wanted to share with you today. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.